dare you?
Pirate ship.
Yar.
Hello.
He's scaredy cat.
I'm not scared.
He doesn't like the pirate ship.
I'm just not scared. I just don't like these rides. These rides make me feel.
Here we go.
Oh no! Look, we're going up. Look, we're going up. Oh no! Look, make sure you sit opposite the holes when you wee yourself at dribble through. Yeah.
It's not like you can worry about it if I chunder.
So I go swivel along here.
You go. Wow. Oh, it's this nice, relaxing. You're loving it, really.
It's so horrible, mate. I'll bring you down here for today.
Whose idea was it to come?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
you guys cheap tickets again.
My idea to
You
come.
guys cheap tickets again.
Oh, well, so.
Yes, and how do you repay me?
My idea to
Soaked me
come.
first
It was
ride.
my idea to
You
come.
soaked me twice on the first ride, and then you put me on this thing, which makes me feel Tom and Dick.
Oh.
What am I dealing with? I pay for you. I've seriously got to put my nutsack, right? That's just so wrong.
What's the matter?
Going.
Take glasses off.
No way, you see my.
Whoa, that's a big one.
This is fun.
Oh, it's even bigger.
Oh, tingle, 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 tingle.
You get a fruit out of it. Oh, that's a big one. Oh my god, oh my god.
It's a big one.
You can see my knuckles. I literally.
Look, he's clinging on to dear life. Whoa, that's a big one. Oh, I feel sick.
Ah, too much information.
Hell yeah. Go on then. Oh, he's...
Seriously, what knuckle at this at the moment?
Yeah, I know you are. They're clinging on to dear life.
I talked about nothing, right?
Oh. Seriously, you should look at us. Look, we're enjoying it.
Nutsack. Nutsack.
Yeah.
How do you feel after having that big dinner?
Oh, I'm not that worried about me. Nutsack.
What's wrong with it?
It's tingling.
You've got it stuck in a hole, have you?
Nah, but I do that sometimes when I go on rides. I get tingling, but not my stomach. That's my nutsack. Especially with this one. This one really makes.
Wow, that was the end of the pirate ship.
And that was fun, wasn't it?
That wasn't too bad. So much tingling around my nutsack area. It's incredible.